In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to stop emails from going into spam in Yahoo. If important messages keep landing in your spam folder, don't worry, we are going to fix that by first training Yahoo to trust those emails and then adding a simple filter, so they go straight to your inbox. This walkthrough is quick, clear, and all done inside Yahoo Mail. Start by opening your spam folder. Find a message you recognize and trust. Select it, and click Not Spam. In some layouts, you may see Move to Inbox instead. Either option tells Yahoo that this message is legitimate. This simple action is powerful because it trains Yahoo's filtering system. If you have several messages from the same sender in spam, select a few at once and mark them as not spam to reinforce the signal. As soon as you do this, the email moves back to your inbox and future messages from that sender are less likely to be misclassified. Next, let's add a filter to make sure those messages consistently land in the right place. Click the gear icon in Yahoo Mail to open Settings. Then choose More Settings and go to Filters. Filters let you define rules, so matching messages automatically go to the folder you choose. Click Add New Filters. You'll see options to define what the filter looks for and what it should do. In the Condition area, use the From field and set it to Contains. Type the sender's email address to match that exact sender. If many messages you want come from the same organization, you can use the organization's domain instead to cover all of their addresses. Be precise so you don't accidentally capture unrelated mail. Now choose where those messages should go. Set the destination folder to Inbox. This tells Yahoo to route any email that meets your rule straight to your inbox so you don't miss it. When everything looks good, click Save. Your filter is now active. From here on, two things work together: marking messages as not spam teaches Yahoo's system what you trust, and your filter acts as a safety net to keep those trusted messages visible. If something you expect still lands in spam occasionally, repeat the not spam action on that message. Each correction improves future results. It's also a good habit to take a quick look at your spam folder every so often. Cleaning it up and correcting mistakes helps maintain accuracy. That's it. You've trained Yahoo's filters and created a rule to keep important mail in your inbox. Thanks for watching.